This guy's got a pet bear. So just outside the shed that's sort of attached, most of the tools hanging. I haven't quite solved what to do with the canisters of stuff, but pretty clean and tidy. This was all covered in wood and garbage. A lot of it's sitting over there right now, and I'm gonna have to throw it away as I can, one piece at a time to not overflow the garbage. I've got this surface that I've sort of painted, but I want to finish painting. Before, it was all rust, so I kind of had to paint the rust off of it. And then I did more to it, so now I'm going to paint it. But I gotta sandpaper it up, rough up that surface a little bit. And now I'm gonna put on this stuff, which is good for just sort of covering a thing without being too careful. No ventilator, of course. I'm not a safety first kind of person.
I am concerned about my phone, so.
Don't worry, I'm doing the hold your breath method. I go in, I spray, I come back out, and then I breathe when I'm out here. So you see all those beams of light coming in? I think that the airflow is what keeps this drying out every day. And if I block all the air so that there's no more airflow, will it just get humid and moldy in here? I don't know. I'm gonna fill these gaps. And what is here is a light leak. In the rain, it becomes a rust and a drip and a mess. I know that this angle won't be able to get everything, but because I'm having to do this upside down, and this hose wasn't nearly long enough to reach back to the ceiling, I bought a 1 meter length of tube, and I'm going to try and stick this tube up in there. We'll see if it works. Okay, here goes.
I've got a sort of dripping mess here, and I've only accomplished a little bit of foam area space. I'm definitely going to have to buy more foam. And be more careful with it? I don't know.
So, I should now have something like a waterproof roof for this shed so that it won't rain on my bike and my tools and my shelf and stuff. Woo!